car?
Let's do it.
Let's go. Guys, this is George J. Sliba from J&S Auto House, back here with another review. Today we're reviewing this beautiful 2020 AMG GT 63S 4-door, one of my favorite cars to drive. I'm very excited to get this review going. If you guys are back watching another video, please subscribe, like. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe. 99% of people watching are not subscribed, so let's hit that subscribe button. And if you want to check out any of my other reviews, click my just bio, whatever, link, description, check out my other reviews. I'm reviewing cars every week, so check that out. Here we go. This is going to be a really sick car to drive today and show you guys. If you guys are looking to buy, sell, jsautohouse.com. If you want to get in touch with me, check out my website at sellmyev.com. If you have anything to buy, sell, want to talk to me about market prices or anything at all, check me out there. All the links are down in the description below. All right, guys, let's get going. Let's do it. All right, let's do this. My favorite car to sit in, and the reason why is this. Right here. This is the reason why. I feel like you're in a damn fighter jet. You can look how like fun it is to put in sport mode. Now the controls here that like the E63S has here, G63s, all the other AMG models here at the steering wheel are cool, but this is just something else. This is touch here. This is your suspension settings here. You know, this little shifter is very funny because this is the shifter you get in the 2-door AMG GT. Exhaust sounds here go from comfort to sport. Volume controls here. Beautiful carbon fiber all over the dash, ambient lightings in the vents, which is really awesome. This car is equipped with a beautiful carbon fiber steering wheel. This is really something else to drive. Super aggressive car. This is very, very rare Decino Magno Hell Blue, and let's get going. All right, we had 600 horses to play with today. So the only thing that I would really, it's really funny because we just drove the E63S before this one, and they feel completely different. I feel like this is a little louder. Definitely, than the E63S. So like the suspension is tighter on this car than that car. The E63S is nice, but like this gives you like that more like fun, sporty feeling. It is like a heavier car, but that's because it has so much styling on the body, like so much cladding and everything. The fenders are bigger, everything's wider. Tail lights are like slimmer, more sexy, but the interior of this car is really something else. It's a 4-seater, so again, super sporty again, really cool. Burmeister sound system. You got the IWC analog watch display right there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Brown leather stitching throughout the dash. You know how Mercedes does. Leather dash up here, completely stunning. This is just like, I don't know, like at the same time, like this is kind of like luxury, sporty. I don't know, maybe more sophisticated maybe than the E63S. But I mean, it's a 4-door, it's a 4-seater. Not as practical perhaps. I don't know, I just like, it's funny like, cause Mercedes has 2 cars that are so comparable to each other, like so similar. One is like about $40,000 more than the other one. Yeah. Tires are already spinning. Exhaust is definitely more aggressive. This is just like a crazy fun car to drive. You really can't not love this car. The only thing is, it's a tighter feeling. I feel like when I'm driving this car that I'm in a CLS. You know, I do feel more comfortable in the E, but maybe that's just because these seats are more contoured. No, these aren't like the AMG performance seats. They're just the regular seats that come standard with this car. I guess you'd call them like more of the luxury seats, but the seats are incredibly comfortable, heated, ventilated, massage. Mercedes makes one of the best seats out there. This really reminds me of the CLS. Like I used to like body styling, like very similar shape. You know, even how long the doors are, like extremely similar to a CLS. Very short doors, more of like a sportier vehicle. It's a coupe. It's not, you're not gonna be as like easy to get in and out of as the E-Class, but this is more of a head turner, I think. More angles on the body. If you're looking to buy this car, you know, you're only looking to buy this. Like there's really there's no other competitor for this out there. You're looking at like, for BMW, it would be like maybe the 6 Series or the 8 Series Coupe 4-door, but like that's a bigger car. I feel like this is the only car in its class. And it's cool because they replicated this car off of the 2-door AMG GT and they made it a 4-door. This car has great reviews out there, extremely fun to drive. Only thing is like it's pricey. When these things were coming out, they were like $190. I mean, a sticker on this car is upwards of $180. So like, I mean, for the money, you're not getting so much car. But I think these cars have a great value in the used car market right now. These cars are selling for like 137 to 140, you know, depending on the specs and everything. But this is one that we do have in stock right now. We try to buy these cars with the best spec possible. You know, we have the beautiful matte blue exterior, Dizino paint exterior, nice brown interior with carbon fiber all throughout the interior. You know, this car is fully loaded, has every single option inside of it, and it's just a very, very fun car to own, drive daily. You know, this is, you know, for maybe like a guy with maybe not too many kids or a woman, not a big family, this is definitely like a nice car to have. Would I recommend putting a car seat in this? Nah. I'd put a car seat in an E-Class though, an E63S, but probably not this. Anyway, if you guys are enjoying this video, please be sure to give me a like, comment, subscribe. Damn. I mean, like, they're just so similar. The driving feel is similar, but like, you can just feel the weight of this car. It just pulls you. And just like the suspension, when you put it in race mode, it's just so much harder. Like, it really did a great job with giving you that feel. And the steering wheel just gets so tight. I mean, I could just drive this car in sport all day. I think that's good enough for me. I do like to mess around with the individual controls. That's one of my favorite features to play with. You can just, you know, honestly, you leave it in comfort and then boom, it's a luxury vehicle all over again. My last video with the E63S, I was talking about how nice that steering wheel was. So favorite thing about this car is always been a huge steering wheel guy. And just like, look at this wheel. It's absolutely stunning. Fast AMG controls right here. Mercedes has so many nice steering wheels. Like, look at this thing. Carbon fiber up top, nice circular Mercedes-Benz emblem in the middle. I do like the like protruding, like bubbly shape of the E63 wheel, like popping out at you with the analog buttons and stuff like that going all along the sides. There's like 2 rows here, that's nice. But this is just like super classic. This wheel is all over like the G63s, all the other AMG models. You can opt in to get the carbon fiber steering wheel, which is exactly this wheel. But again, awesome steering wheel. The steering wheel does come heated. The only thing that you're gonna get heated is the side right here. But again, you can sacrifice for a little carbon fiber in your life. So we're gonna take it, put it in race mode. We're gonna launch it. Launch yourselves into the day, like Liver King says. Do you ever see that? No? I don't wanna start talking about Liver King. If I start talking about Liver King, will my views go up? It's possible,
maybe
right?
We can title it Liver King lied to me or something.
No. All right, so Mercedes-Benz, super simple. We're gonna put it in race mode here, and then all the settings will produce, and all you're gonna do is bear your foot, left foot on the brake, right foot here, and then boom, race start has been started. So that's how it's gonna work. Ready? Let's go. Let's do this.
Nice, hell yeah.
That was a sick launch.
Dude, it was way better than the other one.
Really?
Yeah,
I really liked the tire spin. More tire spin on this one. Yeah, this thing's a beast. It's literally an AMG GTS with 2 doors. But, you know, it's the same thing, which is why I do like this car a lot. Just like, you know, Mercedes made 2 awesome vehicles that are so similar to each other, but not. I mean, you have the coupe look here. Awesome spoiler wing on the back, carbon fiber, which is sick. And that's it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, you want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe. Sending out 1 video every week. Let me know if you guys have anything that I should review next. If you guys are looking to buy, sell, do business with us at JNS Auto House and myself, all the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.